Good morning, class 5th. Now today we will finish our exercise of lesson chapter 1 grammar. Okay, so now look at the book. Look at the book, this H. So A to G exercise we complete in last class. Okay, so now we looked at exercise H. You already finished this, you already did in other exercises, so I think you know. Still we will solve here. Okay, if you solved it in your homework copy, your grammar copy, so match. If there is any mistake, okay, then check your copy by yourself. Okay, now we will start exercise H. Change the following sentences into questions. Okay, so again we have to remember, we have to change statements, simple sentence, okay, information, change into questions. We already did, so I think you know. So let we finish quickly. Okay, sentence A, we already finished it. The clothes are wet. We have to change the statement into question sentence. So are will come in front and the clothes wet question mark. Now second, Sandeep speaks politely. So there is no helping verb, but you can see verb with S. So what we use? Does. I think you remember, no? Does. Sandeep is a name, so S capital. Sandeep. Speak change into speaks change into speak. Okay, base form. Speak polite. Okay, now students, look at the third one. Okay, here the television was on, so we have to change in this into question. Okay, into question. So was will come in front. Okay, here was the T small television on? Question mark. Okay, now fourth, we having dinner. So we are will come in front. Are we small w having dinner? And question mark, because question into statement changing into questions. Okay, now fifth, she is coming for the picnic. So is will come in front, first letter capital. Is she coming for the picnic? Question mark. Was the television on? Are we having dinner? Is she coming for the picnic? All okay. Now sixth, my father is making sandwich. So we have to change this statement into question. So is will come in front. Is my M small father making. Okay, is went into front, so now don't write is making. father making sandwiches and question mark. Okay, now look at the 7th. So 1 to 6th complete. I'm checking there is no mistake. So now look at the 7th. Okay, the dogs go for a walk every day. So there is no helping verb. Yes, so we have to look at it. What we will use? There is dogs go statement. So what we will use? We will use do. Do the dogs go for a walk every day? And in the end, don't forget to question mark. Okay, now 8th. The players finished practice around noon. Now the players finished practice around noon. So now which sentence this one is? The players finished. So this is showing us past tense. Okay, so how we will change this into question sentence? Because this one is in past tense, okay, form. So we will use did. Did the players finish will change into finish. Finished will change into finish. Finish practice around noon. And in the end, question mark. Okay, so students, let's this exercise we will look from first sentence. Okay, H. Here H. First, the clothes are wet. So this is statements present. So we took the helping verb in front. Are the clothes wet? Okay. Sandeep speaks politely. So there is no helping verb. So what we'll do? Does Sandeep speak politely? Okay. Third, the television was on. Was will in front. Was the television on? Question mark. And don't forget the question mark. Okay, this is for we are having dinner. Are we having dinner? She is coming for the picnic. Is she coming for the picnic? My father is making sandwiches. So is will come in front. Is my father making sandwiches? Okay. And then 7th, the dogs go for a walk every day. Do the dogs go for a walk every day? Question mark. Look after every sentence, because we are changing a statement into questions, we always have to look our heading. Okay, question mark. And the last one, 8, The players finished practice around noon. The players finished practice around noon. So it's past tense, that's why we use did. The players finished, change into finish, practice around noon, and in the end question mark. Okay, clear? Now we will start exercise I. There. Okay, this is I, this one. So exercise I is change the sentences as directed. Now every sentence they are giving you in brackets, so you have to change first you have to look at the sentence and then check the bracket. Now like here, it may stop raining soon, and we have to change this into negative sentence. Only this sentence, not all. Okay, every sentence in front of the sentence in the bracket there is the option. Okay, they are directing us to change this sentence in this sentence, means they are giving us sentence, we have to change, we have to look at the bracket. Okay, so now first, okay, change the sentence as directed. It may stop raining soon, and negative. So negative means not. Okay, it may not. Okay, may not stop raining soon, and no question mark. Now negative sentence, so full stop. Okay, so how they are telling us to change this sentence, we have to look at the bracket and then we will change it. So I think you learn them. Okay, now we will turn the page and we will go in page 7. Okay, next page. Now students, look second sentence. Okay, I already told you check the sentence and bracket. When you look at the bracket, तब आपको पता चलेगा ब्रैकेट में जो दे रखा है इसी में हमको इस सेंटेंस चेंज करना. ओके, so second, he will join us for lunch. So this is verb and we have to change this into interrogative. Interrogative here. Okay, will come in front. Will he, first letter capital. Okay, join us for lunch. So no full stop. Interrogative means question sentence, question mark. Now students, third, I won't wait for you this evening. Now this sentence we have to change into positive, so that means it's into negative. Okay, so now we have to change I will wait for you this evening. Positive sentence, always in the end you have to check it. Interrogative, question mark. If it's positive, only full stop. Okay. Now we will look at fourth sentence. She cannot write with her left hand. So cannot, that means it's negative, and we have to change this into positive. Okay. So simple sentence. She can write with her left hand. Positive, then full stop. Okay. So now you have to look properly, and when you write, leave one finger space. Okay, in between two words. So neat and clean. Now fifth, we will go to the beach this summer, and now this we have to change negative. This sentence will change into negative. Okay, we will not. Not go to the beach this summer. And this we are changing into negative, so no question mark, full stop. We will go to the beach this summer. We will not go to the beach this summer. Okay, I think you clear now. Now sixth. Okay, we will go out to play in the evening. Now this sentence you have to change into negative sentence. Okay, so we will not. Okay, we will not, because it's negative. Okay, we will not go out to play in the evening. And negative, so that means full stop. Okay, write neat and clean in your copy. Okay, first sentence number, and in next line you have to solve this, and you have to write this bracket. Okay, so when I check, I know what you are changing it. Okay, and when you write neat and clean and slow. Okay, not very fast. Or you can do it, you can write sentence, which one they are giving you, they are writing write with black, and which one we are solving, okay, we are changing, write with blue. Okay, so now we will start writing sentence 7. We will not go out to play in, we did not want to eat at home tonight. Now did not, that means past tense, we have to change this into positive. So we Okay, now did not want, we have to change this into positive. So did, because of the past tense, we have to remove this did and not. Okay, and we have to change this verb into past tense. Okay, so we wanted. Now I think you understood. We have to remove these and we have to change this form into past tense. We wanted to eat at home tonight, and full stop, because of positive sentence. What we did, because this one is negative past tense, so we have to remove negative not and past tense did, and we have to change this verb into past tense. Okay, we wanted to eat at home tonight. I think clear. Okay, now last one is left, 8th. Okay, 8th. Now I may go to visit my cousin in Kolkata. Okay, now this sentence we have to change into interrogative. Okay, so interrogative means question sentence. May will come in front and first letter capital. May I, always capital. May I go to visit my cousin in Kolkata is name of place, so K capital, small, next one, and question mark. So now all exercise is complete. So what we will do, we have I think 10 minutes left, so we will write essay. Okay, my favorite cartoon character. Okay, so this time we will write one cartoon character, and then next time we will write one more. So I don't know which one is your favorite, but first we will write my favorite cartoon character. Okay, now look at this picture of Tom. Okay, and who is he? He is Jerry. Okay, now I showed you the picture of Tom and Jerry. Now students, you already looked Tom and Jerry, and you watched on the TV. So find the image of Tom and Jerry, and before you write in your copy, I want you to draw a picture of Tom and Jerry and stick in one side, front of it. There is 2 pages in your copy. One side you paste the picture of Tom and Jerry, and then you write essay, my favorite cartoon Tom and Jerry. Okay, clear? Now let's restart writing now. Tom and Jerry is a story of a cat and a mouse who always fight but always write but their friendship lives forever. Okay. Lives forever. 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 It is in Cartoon Network. Okay, full stop. It is the most famous rivalry the main character are Tom and Jerry. Okay, Tom and Jerry. Some other characters are Spike and Tyke. It was created by William Hanna and Joseph Barbara. Tom rarely succeeds in catching Jerry. Jerry is extremely clever and always turn the page. If your page is full, turn the page. Okay. Now students, there is not lots of time, okay, less time, so I wrote for you. So now look at it and I read for you. Out with Tom. The cartoon is sometimes known as the most violent, as Tom uses axe, hammer, poison, cheese, meat and cake, etc. to kill Jerry. Tom and Jerry is one of the most popular TV shows among us the kids. Okay, I think it's not too long. Now look at again, let me read for you. My favorite cartoon, Tom and Jerry. Tom and Jerry is a story of a cat and a mouse who always fight, but their friendship lives forever. It airs in Cartoon Network. It is the most famous rivalry. The main character are Tom and Jerry. Some other character are Spike and Ty. It was created by William Hanna and Joseph Barbera. Tom rarely succeeds. So before there was spelling mistake, so now I fix it. Okay, in catching Jerry. Jerry is extremely clever and always outwit Tom. The cartoon is sometimes known as the most violent, as Tom uses axe, hammer, poison, cheese, meat and cake, etc. to kill Jerry. Tom and Jerry is one of the most popular TV show among us the kids. Students, we had lots of work to write, so use your old copy and of your previous class and write down in your grammar copy. Okay, write neat and clean. Use both pen, black and blue gel pen, not dot pen, and draw your picture of Tom and Jerry. Okay, now go to the washroom and wash your hands and ready for next period. Okay.